Our team consists of two team members. I am Yi Zhen, and also we have Yu Chen. And we made this app with the Angry Bird icon. And this app is a quizzing app that can help students practice for the exams. So we use the Angry Bird icon to make it more fun to study. So this app has two modes. One is the practicing mode and the other is the quizzing mode. I will talk about the practicing mode, and Yu Chen, after I am done, Yu Chen will talk about the quizzing mode. The practicing mode, we have this navigator that you can use to go back. And in the practicing mode, here is the question text, and some questions have 4 answers. Some questions are true or false questions with 2 answers. You can choose one of the answers. And here you can see that if you choose the incorrect answer, there is a red X appearing in front of the incorrect answer you just picked, and there is this alert style message popping up saying it's the incorrect answer. Please try again. You can click OK to make it go away. And here you can see there is this correct answer button. You can click it. It will tell you which answer is the correct answer. So you can click through. And you can see as I click through the incorrect answers, the red X will appear in front of each of the incorrect answers that you just chose. So which one is the correct answer? It's the D. So you click, which is the correct answer? B. So here I will just look at the correct answer and click through the questions. Well, I will let Yu Chen talk about the quizzing mode.
Hi, Prof. This is Yu Chen, and unlike the practice mode, in our quiz mode, it only gives us 60 seconds to finish all the questions, and the quiz mode consists of 15 questions. As you can see, with while I answer each questions, the progress bar at the bottom grows with proportionally with the question I answered. And here the question label shows how many questions I have answered in our quiz. And with my answer to the questions, as you can see at the top left, the scores shows how many answers I have answered correctly. And when the time is out, it will jump to the result page. Here the pause button, when I click it, the time will pause, but it's like cheating, so I will not do that and continue finish all the questions. The final score tells you how many questions you have answered correctly, and the 2 buttons, one is restart the quiz, and the other one is go back to the home page. So that's all for our quiz app. Thank you.